Want to check if your PDF meets accessibility standards? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Accessibility Checker in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC quickly and easily. First, open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Go to All Tools and select Prepare for Accessibility. Next, click Check for Accessibility. If needed, enable Create Accessibility Report and choose a location to save the report. You can also enable Attach Report to Document. Choose whether to scan all pages or a specific page range. Review the accessibility check options and leave the desired categories selected. Click Start Checking to begin the scan. Adobe Acrobat will analyze the document and display the results in the Accessibility Checker panel. Review any issues found and make the recommended corrections to improve accessibility. And that's it. You've successfully checked a PDF for accessibility using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC.